Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video, which is my beginner friendly highlight and contour routine. I know a lot of you all have been asking me to do more of a routine that just shows how to camouflage imperfections, if you have any scarring or hyperpigmentation. I've been getting a lot of questions about color correcting and also how do you hide hyperpigmentation, how to hide uneven skin tones, and just a little bit more of camouflage makeup, not so much as the beauty and creating these eyes and things like that. I understand that a lot of you all want makeup that you just can wear on a daily. So this tutorial is definitely going to be beginner friendly. I'm not going to do too much color. I just want to show you guys how to do a really nice, clean, flawless makeup look. So the very first product I'm going to use is my color corrector from Bobbi Brown. This shade I love because it's really close to a concealer, but it's a little thinner. So I use this as like my base before I apply my foundation. And this is just going to help to lighten any darkness that I have. I really like using this around the mouth. This is from Bobbi Brown and it's in the shade Dark Bisque. Anywhere that I have any darkness on my face, I'm going to use this to even it out and take it back to my natural skin tone. I'm using a concealer brush for this. It's more of like a golden peach shade. This is a cream. I love liquid for brightening up the skin, but whenever you want to camouflage and hide any imperfections, creams work to me a little bit better because they're heavier. They're going to blend really good. They're going to blend into your natural skin tone, but they're also heavy enough to cover whatever it is. Have a little bit more of like a peachy warm undertone in order to be able to cover the darkness. Because once I go over this with my foundation, it's going to blend and you won't be able to even see where I applied this. I'm just going to go in and apply this everywhere where I feel like I want to neutral out some of the darkness. Use my beauty blender and go in with my favorite foundation, the MAC Face and Body. I'm just going to go directly over where we've already applied our color corrector. I love this foundation because it still keeps my face nice and radiant. It's not just super drying. I still have a little of my natural glow and highlight. I'm going to use my cream contour. This is from Black Opal, and I love how this just gives me a really nice, natural, flawless contour. Once I'm done with my cream contour, I like to go back in and set everything with my bronzer because cream moves really quickly. You always want to make sure that you go back in and set your cream with a powder. My under eye powder is really bright, so I can't use that same powder to just set my whole face. Sometimes I will when I'm in a hurry, but then I always still have to go back in with my bronzer. So I really love this Pat McGrath powder. This is in the shade Medium 18. This powder has just a little bit of like a sheen, shimmer finish, so that also helps to keep your skin looking nice and radiant and not just super powdery and dry, especially if you already have a dry skin type. I'm gonna go back in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer and use this as my crease shade because this is a really nice soft brown. I'm also going to use the shade Soft Brown from MAC. This shade is really close to my natural skin tone, so I love using this when I just want to create a really natural crease. This is usually the same way I'll do my eye whenever I like to use gloss on the lid. I like to keep it looking really natural for that ultimate just like clean look. Before I apply my gloss to my lids, I do like to go in and apply my liquid liner just so that it sets and it's dry before I apply the gloss, because sometimes it can get messy. So you always want to make sure that you apply your liner first. And I'm going to apply my favorite Pat McGrath liquid liner. I do have a few different glosses, but the one I've been loving lately is from MAC. And I really like using my finger. I like for it to warm up to my skin before I apply it. Go in and rub it into the skin so that it warms up. And I feel like once I do this and warm it up to my skin, it thins out a little bit and I don't see as much creasing. And I just go towards the center of my lid. You can also use a brush to apply this. Spring Sheen, and this one is Blush Baby, which is a neutral light pink. This is the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Highlighter. You guys already know how much I love highlighting the body, so I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm just going to apply it first and then go back in and blend it. I've really been into the 90s lip looks with the heavy liner and like the nude lip, super glossy. So that's the lip looks I've been doing lately. I am going to use Hover, which is a liner that I really love. It has a little bit of a red, it's like a burgundy brown liner. And because I've been so into this 90s look, I am going to heavily line my lip line. I'm using Love You Back from MAC, one of my favorite light pink nude shades right now. I really love how this lip liner look turned out. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna finish our look off with my MAC Clear Lip Glass, my favorite lip glass because it's so glossy. I feel like this gloss is just like the perfect finish to any lip look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and also this clean, fun, trendy look that I've been into recently. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. I definitely wanted to show you guys how to color correct and do things that are just more of your natural every single day makeup look that you can just do where it looks like you barely have anything on. So if this video was helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know what other type of videos you would like to see like this, whether it's camouflaging tattoos or covering scars, anything that you guys want to see that's makeup related. I want to make sure that my channel is helpful for everyone. So like I said, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Whatever else you would like to see, you can always DM me on Instagram at Tay Franklin. And I will see you guys in my next video.